So hi guys, let me show you some cool camera settings to take your pictures up a notch in your Samsung device. So let's get to it. So first go to Good Lock and download this module called Camera Assistant. This will help you get all the good settings for your thing. So just turn on this quick tap shutter. It will help you to take photos fast. Okay, and now go back and then come to camera, click this and then click on settings. Here go to intelligent optimization, turn this to maximum. It will increase your image quality. Click on scene optimizer. It will help you to take good photos and help you to optimize your photos. Then go back, go to advanced picture options and turn it to raw copies. It will save all the photos into raw photos, and it will help you to edit more photos more easily. Then go back, click on shooting methods, click on show palm. This will help you to take photos without clicking a button by just showing a palm. Then go back. Okay, then scroll up, then click on shot suggestion. This will help you to guide you to line up your shots and help you to get good photos. Check this option also, selfie save selfie as previewed. Then scroll down, then go to settings to keep, turn camera mode on, selfie angle, high resolution picture, super steady, and all of these modes on. So with these settings you can take great photos with your Samsung Galaxy device. Hope you guys like it, and I'll see you in next one.